We all love to eat chocolate. But do you know that, why does chocolate makes us happy? Everyone, people, whatever they are, big or small, likes to eat chocolate. And when we see the chocolate, automatically smile comes on the face. So have you ever wondered why chocolates make us so happy? A study in 1996 showed that chocolate caused the release of endorphins in the brain, that's making people feel happy. Chocolates contain a number of compounds associated with mood-lifting chemicals in the brain. Often mentioned is phenylethylamine, a natural antidepressant, and one of the chemicals your brain produces as you fall in love. Tryptophan, an amino acid present in small quantities in chocolate. These chemical substance linked to the production of serotonin. Serotonin is a neurotransmitter that produces feelings of happiness. A handful of other substances also add to chocolates. For example, theobromine can increase heart rate, and caffeine is well known as a wake-up drug. But most of these compounds are present only in small quantities in chocolate. And now some scientists say that they are probably almost entirely digested before they reach the brain. It may instead be the experience of eating chocolate and satisfying a food craving that releases endorphins and happy feelings more than the content of the chocolate itself. So friends, now you must have a better understood that why this occur. Hope you have learned something new from this video. If you like the information, you can share this video with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest updates. Thank you.